Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to read a picture story. Yes, and the story's name is Naughty Manku. Let's begin. Manku Monkey was very naughty. He was greedy too. He never shared food with his brother. One day, Manku found a basket of juicy mangoes on the roof of a house. He ate all the mangoes and did not share them with his family. Smiley Sparrow, who was Manku's friend, asked him not to be greedy. But Manku did not listen to her and asked her to leave. Suddenly, Manku's mama came and she scolded him. "Manku, these are bad manners." Angry Manku decided to leave his home. I will never go back. After walking and jumping from tree to tree, Manku got tired and hungry. He saw a pond and went there to drink water. Suddenly, a big crocodile appeared and attacked Manku. Manku got scared and climbed up a tree. Just then, a snake came crawling on the branch on which Manku was sitting. Manku ran away from there too. He was now very hungry and thirsty. He started crying. Suddenly, he saw Smiley Sparrow. He said, "Manku, your family is searching for you. Come, hurry up." Manku followed Smiley Sparrow and reached home. He was very happy